So you want your object to look shiny, glossy, dusty, or completely matte. Yeah, that's roughness node doing all the heavy lifting. Roughness control how sharp or blurry your reflections are. Lower value make your surface look polished and smooth. Higher values make it look dry, chalky, or worn out. It's basically Unreal asking how clean is this thing and how much light should it scatter. Now to use it, let's just take a look on the example we have here, where you can see the option of roughness is here, which is saying here like 0 is the lowest value, which says there is no roughness, so the smooth surface will be smoother and highly reflective. So as you can see on the left side as well, we are seeing that the sphere is fully smooth and highly reflective, and as soon as we turn the value 1, it becomes the most rough material it can be, and it's not reflecting anything as it is very rough. So for now we will just promote it to variable. You can also left click right click and promote the roughness to parameter, but right now I'm just dragging a pin out of from there and pressing S, and then I named it roughness, as you can see on the screen. But we have both options, so let's just remove one of these, and now as soon as we apply the material, we can see this thing happening. Wait a minute, let me just promote it to a material instance, and now you can see how smooth it is, and we will change the value and see it in action. So now as I'm increasing the number to 1, it's getting rougher and rougher, and as soon as I decreasing it, it's becoming smoother and smoother. And we can also use a roughness map for this. For now I'll just take a random image from the content browser, which comes with the engine itself. It is the texture sample which covers the main mannequin. So the black parts are the ones which are 0 and the white parts are the 1, and we will see it as soon as we apply the material. As you can see on the screen, the part which were black in the image are really smooth here, and the parts that were white are extremely rough. So now the question is, where do you use it? Actually everywhere. Literally every material in your game depends on roughness. If you want anything to look realistic, metal, rock, skin, props, weapons, you will end up tweaking roughness more than any other input in your material system.